Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the run and preventing damage to surrounding paint. Use masking tape to protect edges, then score the high bead gently. This prevents lifting. Next, wet sand the peak with 400 grit on a sanding block to flatten the build without digging through the base. Once done, switch to 600 grit to feather the edge smoothly. You do this because controlled abrasion levels the run while preserving the original film around it. You now focus on blending so the repair disappears under paint. After 600 grit, move to 800 then 1000 to soften the transition. Use a flat block and consistent strokes. This maintains planarity. Clean frequently with a tack cloth and inspect at an angle to spot low spots. Fill any hollows with a thin skim of primer, let it cure, and sand back with 600 until seamless. Make sure to remove all dust. Because contaminants, you finish by applying base coat and light, even passes to rebuild color. Allow each 10 to 15 minute flash time so solvents escape. Follow with clear coat sprayed in 2-3 thin layers. Once cured, wet sand with 1500 then 2000 grit to remove any texture, and then polish with a fine compound for gloss. If you see orange peel or sinking spots, do not panic. Recoat the affected area or wet sand and polish again until the surface matches surrounding finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.